Hi student, this is Vokumar. 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 7, exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2, we are going to study about volume. Volume of cylinder, formula pi r squared h cubic units. Volume of hollow cylinder formula pi into capital R squared minus small r squared into h cubic units. You know that capital R represents external radius, small r represents internal radius. Then volume of cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Volume of hollow sphere 4 by 3 pi into capital R cube minus small r cube cubic units. Volume of hollow hemisphere 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube cubic units. Volume of frustum formula, frustum 1 by 3 pi into h capital R square plus capital R into small r plus small r square cubic units. Now we can get into that first problem in exercise 7.2. Problem number 1, a 14 meter deep well. So what is the depth of the well? 14 meter with the inner diameter 10 meters. Therefore the inner radius is 5 meter. Half of that is dug, and the earth taken out is evenly spread all around the well to form an embankment of width 5 meter. Find the height of the embankment. Okay. So look at the diagram. It's a ground level. So it's a well only. Well. Height and the depth, that means height 14 meters. Diameter 10 meter means radius 5 meter. Right? That is a measurement of well. It is being dug, that sand taken out, the earth taken out being spread to form an embankment. Embankment means it covers the well in the shape of a cylinder. It is also in the shape of a cylinder. It's a hollow cylinder. Inside portion will be hollow. So look at that. It is a 5 meter. No, it is also 5 meter. So inner radius is 5 meter. Right? So it's a hollow cylinder. Now, in this question, what you have understood, no? Here, earth taken out is evenly spread to form an embankment. That means volume of the earth taken out from the cylinder, that is equal to volume of the hollow cylinder. Once again, volume of the earth taken out from the cylinder is equal to volume of the hollow embankment. It is in the shape of a cylinder only. Okay, here depth h, that is 14 meter cylindrical well, diameter 10 meter, therefore radius half of that 5 meter. Embankment width means the thickness that is equal to 5 meter. Then height, I consider, you are asked to find out the height of the embankment. I consider as capital H. So by data, volume of the cylindrical well, that is equal to volume of the hollow cylindrical embankment. Volume of a cylinder formula pi r squared h. Volume of hollow cylindrical embankment formula pi into capital R squared minus small r squared into h. Here we consider capital H is the height of the embankment. So here capital H. Here or here also small r. For both cylindrical well and embankment, small r is same only, 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter. You have to find out the capital R. From here to here, internal radius, that is small r, 5 meter. From here to here, that is external radius, that is 5 plus 5, 10 meter. Because you are given the thickness that means capital R and small r. width and thickness are same. Thickness, that is equal to 5 meter. I write here, given thickness that is equal to 5 meter, thickness, that is capital R minus small r, that is equal to 5. Capital R minus small r, that is equal to 5 equals 5. Therefore, capital R, that is equal to 5 minus 5 comes right hand side, plus 5, that is equal to 10 meters. That is the value of capital R. Now you can cancel pi get cancelled, which implies R, that is equal to small r, that is equal to 5. 5 into 5. Small h, that is the depth that is equal to 14 meter, equals capital R, that is equal to 10, therefore 10 squared, minus small r, that is equal to 5 squared into capital H. Now 5 5s are 25 into 14. 25 into 14, that is equal to 10 square 100 minus 5 square is 25 into capital H. So 25 into 14, write as it is. 100 minus 25, that is equal to 75 capital H. Now you can cancel 25 table. How many times? 3 times. You can directly cancel. 25 ones are, 25 threes are. Therefore, capital H, that is equal to 14 divided by 3. 3 comes to the denominator. H, that is equal to 14 by 3. I write here. Therefore, H, that is equal to 14 divided by 3. Now I have to divide. 14 divided by 3 equals 3 4s are 12, balance 2, 0.0. 3 6 are 18, balance 2, 0. Then 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18, balance 2, 0. Again 3 6 are 18, balance 2, 0. Again 3 6 are 18, balance 2, 0. It is going on. So that is equal to 4.6666. You can write, it can be rounded up to 2 decimal places. Write the first decimal place as it is. Now look at the third digit. If it is 5 or more than 5, you can add 1 with the previous digit. So what's the number here? 6. So you can add 1 with that. 6 plus 1, 7. What is the unit? Meter. Therefore, height of the embankment capital H, that is equal to 4.67 meter approximately. Because we are not getting the remainder 0, so you have to put that approximately. So problem number 1 is completed, and I will be teaching problem number 2 in the next video. Thank you, children.